Hey guys! Welcome to the very first episode of Make Me This, where you make a suggestion and one lucky submission gets recreated. So if you want to learn how to go from this to this, please stay tuned for the full tutorial. In today's episode, I will be recreating these Dolls Kill shoes. They're sold out, and if you're lucky to find a pair, expect to pay double. For the base of the shoe, I'm using these satin pink peep toe heels. I love the long stiletto heel on these compared to the chunky heel. The original bottoms are black, so I'll be painting the bottoms of these to match. To speed things along, I'm going to use a black Sharpie to color in the bottoms. Next, we're going to start with the ankle strap. Pinpoint the spot where the chain of beads will end. Then remove the strap from the shoe, and now you can start attaching the beads. Once you've sewn each end to the strap, you can now secure the rest of the chain by sewing in a simple over-under technique. Next, I'm going to work on the toe strap, but first I'll have to remove the flower from the area. Using the same technique, sew in an over-under pattern to secure each bead to the shoe. Now here's a look at the shoe with the toe strap fully beaded. I want this shoe to look daintier than the original, so I went with one row of beads instead of two. Next, we're going to drape the beads around the shoe. Once you're happy with the length, connect the beaded chain to the shoe by sewing it into place. The next step is draping the beaded chain over the ankle strap and attach them using jump rings. Once everything is attached, try on the shoe and adjust the length of the chain before adding the charms. I wanted to recreate these shoes as close to the original as possible. So after a lot of searching around, I was able to pick up these statement earrings. They had the exact size and amount of crosses I needed to recreate this shoe. Just remove the crosses and set them aside. To complete the look, I picked out various crosses and heart charms. And now the shoes are ready to be charmed away. You can get as creative as you want and add as many charms along the chain. I'm going to stay close to the original shoe, so I'm going to place my charms in the same areas. Simply attach each charm to the chain by using a jump ring. And here are the final results. Now that they're finished, it's time to try them on. I can't believe how beautiful these shoes turned out. They have a very romantic feel to them, and thanks to the 6-inch heels, they make my legs look even longer. Tell me what you guys think of the final results in the comments below. Was it worth the effort? After I finished making the shoes, I had some extra beads, so I made a matching choker out of the leftovers. Keeping with the romance, I added a bow and a crystal heart. I had just enough to make a ringed bracelet too. These were really fun and easy to make, so if you'd like to see me post a tutorial, let me know in the comments below. You can easily change the look of these shoes to fit your mood by swapping out the charms. So if you're feeling like a unicorn today, you better show those unicorn charms. These charms were taken from some earrings, but you could use charms from anywhere really, like necklaces or bracelets. While I was editing this video, I checked the Dolls Kill website and they happen to have these shoes back in stock. So if you love them, you'll want to grab a pair before they're gone. If you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe and comment below and let me know if you prefer the original or the remix. If you would like to make suggestions for my next Make Me This video, submit your suggestions on my Instagram. See you in the next video!